Welcome to the Microworld exercise Fish 4. Fish 4 is a computer program designed by University of Victoria professor Dr. Robert Gifford and programmed by Dr. Jorge Aranda. The Microworld exercise is used to study the resource management behavior of individuals and small groups. The Microworld is a computer simulation of a fishery. You will be fishing in an ocean with 3 other participants. This means that you and the 3 other fishers will see the same ocean. This is what the microworld looks like, and this is the ocean where you catch fish. You can also see a table that shows you information about your catch and other participants' information as well. The first column is the identity of the fishers. The second column is the fisher's location. As you can see, everyone is currently in port. This is indicated by an anchor symbol. The third column is the number of fish caught in the current season. In the fourth column, the computer keeps track of the total number of fish caught across all seasons. The next column is the profit earned in the current season, and the final column is the total profit accumulated in all seasons. Just like in a real fishery, the microworld will have a number of seasons in which you can catch fish. As a fisher, you do not know how many seasons fishing will last for. Here the screen displays which season you are in and how many fish are available to catch. In the beginning, 80 fish will be displayed on the screen. This is to indicate the beginning of the first season. You can also make money by fishing. You will be paid 10 cents for every fish you catch. Once the simulation begins, you may go to the sea and catch as many fish as you like. To start fishing, simply click on Go to Sea. Your location is now in the sea as indicated by the Earth symbol. Once you're in the sea, you may now catch fish. To do so, click on Cast for one fish. In the microworld, after you cast for a fish, 1 fish will disappear from the screen. If you want to catch 3 fish, simply click 3 times. As you can see in the table, you have caught 1 fish and you earn 10 cents for this season. Once you have taken as many fish as you want, you may click on Return to Port with your catches. The first season ends when everyone is back at port, as indicated by the anchor symbols. You continue to do the same thing for each season. Go out to sea, cast for fish, and return to port. The microworld will end when all the fish are gone or when all the seasons are over. Here you can see that 79 fish remain. The remaining fish will spawn for the next season. So, every fish left at the end of a season will spawn and a new fish will be born. This means the number of remaining fish will be doubled for the next season. Because the ocean can only support so many fish, the total number of fish will never exceed the original number of fish, which you'll remember was 80. Fishing can go on this way for many seasons unless all of the fish are caught. Your job is to consider all of these factors, as well as the other fishers, and make your own decisions about how to fish. Please fish however you like. Now let's do a quick review of what we've covered so far. Quiz 1. In the first season, if your group catches a total of 60 fish, how many fish will be available for the next season? The answer is 40. The first season begins with 80 fish. If a total of 60 fish are caught, 20 fish will remain. These 20 remaining fish will spawn and double to 40 fish for the following season. Quiz 2. If by the end of the first season you and others catch a total of 20 fish, how many fish will be available for the second season? The answer here is 80. The first season begins with 80 fish. By the end of the season, 20 fish are caught and the remaining 60 fish will spawn. However, because the ocean can only support so many fish, the total number of fish will never exceed the original number, which was 80. Quiz 3. When will fishing end? Fishing will end when all the fish are caught or when all the seasons end. However, you do not know how many seasons fishing will last for. This is the end of the tutorial. Because you are working with other participants, it is extremely important that you fully understand the rules and procedure of this exercise. If you have any questions, feel free to ask the experimenter before you start fishing. Thank you for watching.